Alright guys, today I have for you a FAB 50. Here is the key. So, not horrible, you have some highs and some lows. If you can read that. FAB is yet another brand that Assa Abloy owns. The more I get into locks, the more I realize Assa Abloy owns pretty much everything. So you can see that it works really well. This isn't a super challenging lock, but it's made with pretty good tolerances, so it's pretty fun. Haven't been making as many videos recently as I'd like, so I'll be opening this. I'm using a pry bar in 40 thousandths and my trusty short hook in 15 thousandths. Oh, move it in frame, and let's see where we are. Actually, is this the wrench I want to use? May want to use the bottom of the keyway because there are a few high cut pins. Yeah, I think I'll do that actually. That should be work. That should be work. That's not a sentence. That should work. That should be nice. Alright. Let's see where we're at. Not number 1. That's number 3. Oh yeah, I was planning on opening it clockwise. It's easier to hold it like that so my hand's not on the way. Anyway, here we go. Alright. Number 1. Okay, set that. You heard that slight click. Got a little movement on the core, not a whole lot. Okay, just dropped into a false set. It's not super pronounced, but it is there. So now I'm just going to look for the counter rotation, and we should be on our way. Where'd you go? Set that. I think I lost my false set though. Let's see if I can quickly get it back. Oh! Alright, apparently I got it back and then some. Alright, and here's the keyway. I suppose I never actually showed it. So, not super hard. Oh. I can angle the camera down a little bit. All right. I have a key, so I'm gonna lock it back up again, trying to remove the circlip without hurting myself. Oh, that's out of frame. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, got that off. Put the key in once more. Now, you see those grooves. I want to make sure not to misalign those, or that would be horrible. I'm gonna open this upside down. Whoop. I guess I should be looking where I'm holding it, huh? There we go. Alright. Here's what we have. Alright. Oh, lower the camera again. There we go. Number 1, standard Same with number 2, number 3, number 4, and surprise, surprise, number 5 as well. No modifications to the core. Not surprised though, this is just a normal Euro lock that I ordered off of eBay. Alright, let's see what we have. Number 1. Number 1 is also standard with a copper spring. Number 2 is a very shallow spool. Same spring, a long copper one. Number 3 is also a shallow spool. And all of the springs are the same, so from here on out I won't even mention them. Maybe I will. We'll see if I remember. Number 5, also standard. And another one of those shallow spools. Alright. I'm sure there are no mods in here. That is bright in the screen. Nope. So, here's what we were working with. Let me zoom in a little bit. Alright. So, tweezers right there. Like I said, pretty easy lock. Nothing super challenging. The feedback you get is pretty solid though. So this was a Euro lock I sawed in half. I'm probably going to make the other half into a challenge lock to send out because of the fairly good tolerances, and I haven't seen any other FABs. That's not true. Frosty 901, he opened one on his channel. But alright, that's all I have for you with this video. If you have any questions, please leave them below. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. Hopefully I'm going to be making more videos. I've only been making a few every now and then, but hopefully that should be changing soon. I'm going to try and enter Black Dolphin 90's 4-lock giveaway. I just got to find lock number 4 that I can open. So, alright, thank you for watching.